stop watching people make passive income in 2024 and actually start making it ourselves. Hi, I'm Lara. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not new here, welcome back. I'm here to teach you how to make passive income with digital products and print on demand. I love the idea of making money online, making money from your phone, making money from your computer, and I'm here to show you just how to do it. My channel features a ton of videos, all with tutorials, keywords, marketing efforts to push your digital products to make your sales. So I am going to show you how to create the easiest digital download that I've created yet. And this is for someone who maybe wants to get into making money online, but you're not maybe the most technologically advanced person, or honestly you are and you just want an easy digital product. I love creating digital products with ease, and I love showing you guys how to make these products with ease. Today's video is going to be no different. I'm not going to yap on for too long. I want to get right into this video, but basically all you're going to need is an Etsy account and a Canva account, and you are ready to go. If you're interested in learning how to make money online quickly, then keep on watching. So I told you that we're going to be making my easiest digital product, but I didn't even tell you what that product is. Well, if you're like me, you're on Instagram. I know you're on Instagram. Everyone's on Instagram. Your friends are on Instagram. If you're not, good for you too. It's kind of nice to not be on it, but most people have Instagram. And if you'll notice on your profile, there's an option to put a highlight. These highlights allow people to kind of push little content that was in their stories or create little memories for themselves. So today we are going to be creating highlight covers, but not just any highlight covers, just colors. There's going to be nothing else but colors. And you might be asking yourself, does this even sell? And I'm going to tell you, yes, it does. I've been seeing a ton of sellers on Etsy selling these products, and why not join them? I find you're going to want to start with kind of a color scheme. So I'm going to show you where to get these colors, where to get the inspiration, and then how to actually design these in Canva. And honestly, as a bonus at the very end of this video, I'm also going to be giving you keywords that you can use in your Etsy shop title and in your Etsy listing description as well. We are going to talk really briefly about the importance of choosing these colors correctly. It actually doesn't matter. Once you have a color scheme that you kind of want to go with, you can switch it up no matter what. Like you can do pinks, you can do blues, you can do naturals, you can do groovy ones, whatever you choose. I just find what will sell probably the most are natural, luxurious colors, because businesses will use them and then people for personal use as well. So we are going to dive right into it. I'm going to get my tripod and put this thing on bird's eye view so you can watch me design this on my iPad. But basically, I'm going to show you how easy it is, and so that you can turn around and go and create these in under 5 minutes. So let's get into it. So first things first, we're going to go into Canva and we are going to look up highlight covers. Basically, this will just give us the sizing that we need for this digital download. Super easy. And as you can see, like I have some here that I've made, but what you can do is you can go down here and kind of select one that you like. They're typically already sized the way you want it. The great thing with colors is that you can even just use a story template and make the whole thing a color. But for the sake of this video, let's just go with this template right here. And we're going to customize this template. So I said that we want to make these kind of like natural colors. So I'm just going to delete this picture back here. I feel like it's not relevant, and I'm going to delete the writing because we're literally just going to sell a color scheme. So there's a couple ways that we can come up with colors. One way is if you tap this and you go into the color itself, you can type in natural. And see, nothing's coming up there. So let's type in nature. Okay, there's a bunch here. So I actually like some of these colors, like this green, for example, I really like. So we're going to kind of keep that as a color. We're also going to duplicate these to make it easier. So you can go ahead and get rid of whatever other ones they have here. But we're just going to duplicate this. So I'm going to tap this again. I'm going to go back into color, and we're still on that nature search. So I also love, like, this color is really pretty. This color is super nice, natural. You can just select the ones that you think kind of fit the theme. So these three for sure right now are fitting this theme. Another place that you can find colors is a website called Coolors. So let me show you that now. So this is what the search will look like. Coolors is Coolors, and it says the super fast color palettes generator. So you can have a bunch of different colors for free. You can explore palettes, trending color palettes, and all that kind of stuff. So let's explore palettes. I haven't actually clicked this before, so let's give this a go. So see, you can actually see a bunch of natural ones that blend together here. And the benefit of going through this is that when you click on it, when you see colors that you like, it will give you the direct hex code for those colors. So I'm going to go back to this one here. I kind of liked the pastel naturey vibe of this, so I'm going to click on that. See right here, there is hex colors. You just tap the different ones, and there's a whole bunch of different colors. So see this kind of like matcha green I love, and here's the code. So I'm going to copy that. See where I tapped it? Now I've copied it, and I'm going to go back into our Canva designs with my duplicated color, and I'm going to go in to here where it's like customized colors. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to paste the hex code directly into here. And there is the color. So you can basically go back and forth between Coolors and repeat this until you are done. I say with these, you kind of want to have a bunch of them. So I would recommend anywhere from like 30 to 60 highlight covers, just with selection for people to play with. But you can even have different themes. You can do one that's like beige themed. You can do one that is, you know, pink themed, like whatever the case may be, but you just pick a theme and you go with it. But I find nature always works well because people always love like a natural look. So you can pick other colors here. I also like this deep color, so we'll add that in as well. And basically you just continue from there, and it is that easy. So after this, you're basically ready to upload these onto Etsy. So I am going to leave a bunch of keywords that you need to be putting in your listing title and in your listing description for these natural highlight covers. This will basically just help you rank higher on Etsy, and then it will push your content further. And then what you also want to do is take these, put them into Pinterest with the same keywords to also drive traffic to that new listing. So if you guys want to see me kind of like put the whole listing together, just let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to do that. And I have more videos coming. I also have some print on demand products that are selling right now. Another one that's kind of autumn themed that we can kind of do together. This is the season for it. So now is the time. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I have more videos coming soon. I like to bless you guys once a week now, hopefully, and if not more. So hold me to it. And if you haven't already, definitely like and subscribe. I'm happy to have all of you here. Every single one of you subscribers means so much to me, and I'm always trying to get more, obviously. So yeah. Also, I want to film a little bit of like lifestyle vlogs too. I've always loved that. I know it doesn't perform the best on my channel, but hopefully that's something that can grow as well. So let's make some passive income in 2024, and let's stop watching other people make it instead.